In my other video, which you can check out here, I showed you how to make these delicious bread bowls. Where for this video, I'm going to show you my favorite soup that goes with them, the copycat Panera Bread broccoli and cheese soup. For this recipe, you're going to need 3 cups of broccoli florets chopped into small pieces, 2 cups of freshly grated cheddar cheese, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1 cup of matchstick carrots, a half a teaspoon of pepper, 1½ teaspoons of salt, a half teaspoon of paprika, a half a cup of chicken broth, 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 cup of milk, a half a cup of diced onions, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1/4 cup of unsalted butter. In a large pot, melt the butter on medium heat. Add the onions, carrots, and broccoli and cook for 5 minutes to soften. Now add the chicken broth, milk, and heavy whipping cream and stir until combined. Now add the seasonings and mix in thoroughly. Now cook the mixture for 10 to 15 minutes until the sauce is thickened. Now mix in 2/3 of the cheese and stir until combined. This is really great cold day comfort food. My favorite way to eat the soup is in a bread bowl. Use the rest of the cheese to top the soup. If you try to make this, let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any great recipes.